Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animated videos using Canva. I will show you a very easy method so you can make your own cartoon animated videos without any difficulty. If you also want to learn how to use Canva to create animated videos, then make sure to watch this video till the end. I will guide you step by step on how to animate elements in Canva. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can receive more helpful Canva tutorials on time. So, let's get started. First, open Canva. You will see the Canva dashboard. Now click on the Videos, See All option. As soon as you click, you will see many options. You need to select the Video, Landscape option. A blank canvas will appear in front of you. From here, we will start creating our animated video. Go to Uploads, and from there choose your background image. I am selecting this one. I downloaded it from Freepik. You can also get completely free backgrounds images from Freepik. Now, bring the timeline bar to the front. After this, go to the Elements tab and type Road. Then go to the Graphics section and select a road image from there. Increase its size and adjust it on the canvas. After this, go to the Elements tab again and type Grass. Then, from the Graphics section, select a grass image. After this, place the grass image on top of the road image. Now duplicate this grass image and adjust it next to the first one. Duplicate it again and place the next image as well. Then, duplicate the grass image once more and adjust it at the bottom. Repeat the same process as you did for the top. After this, go to Apps and type Clippy. From the suggestions, choose Clippy. Now select the Clippy app. After that, in the search bar, type Bicycle. Then go to the Stickers section and choose a bicycle GIF. I am selecting this one, but you can choose any GIF you like. Now, increase its size and place it on the road. Next, go to Position and then Layers, and set the bicycle image below the grass layer that are at the bottom. After this, type Flying Bird in the search bar again. From the Stickers section, choose any bird GIF you like. I am adding another bird GIF. Now go to Flip option and flip it to horizontal. Now, select this image and click on Animate. Then, click on Create an Animation. Drag this image onto the canvas. After that, click on Steady. And then click Done. After this, animate both bird images in the same way. And here is the preview of the animation. Now we are going to making second scene. Go to Uploads and choose the snow image for the background. I downloaded this image from Freepik. Now go to the Elements tab and type snow falling. Then go to the Graphics section. After that, click on Animation. You will see two options, Static and Animated. Click on Animated. Here you will see all the animated graphic images. Now select a snow falling image and adjust it to cover the entire canvas. After that, go to Transparency and reduce the transparency. After that, go to the Elements tab again and type Snow Walking Man. Then go to the Graphics section and open Animation, and select Animated. Choose any image you like. This is the one I selected. Now reduce its size. Then click on the Animate option and select Create Animation. Drag the image across the canvas. Then reduce the speed. Next, go to Movement Style and select Steady. Now drag the snowfall image and bring it to the top. After that, click on the snow walking image, go to Animate, and apply the animation you created for this image by clicking Done. And here is the preview of the animation. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn how to add audio and background music to a video using Canva, then comment below. I will teach it in the next video.